vibes? It's your girl Mekaylajene, and I'm back again with another banger. So as you can see from the description box down below, this is a makeup tutorial, a natural soft glam that you guys can try for the holiday season. So to begin my makeup, I always start with my eyebrows, and I'm using a NYX dark brown pencil to fill them in. Next, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm going to mix this with my NARS concealer, and I'm going to outline the bottom of my eyebrows with this little concoction I came up with, and then I'm going to use my foundation color for the top of my eyebrows. So once everything is outlined how you wanted them to be, go grab a smaller brush and you just want to blend out all the harsh lines. You don't want your like a halo on top of your eyebrows. It's not cute. So go ahead and get a brush and blend because you want these things to be snatched. Okay? Y'all, I started feeling myself like look at me. Wait. Ooh. Yes. So today I'm using my LaFlare Cashmere 3D lashes. I bought these from my local beauty supply store. They were only $1.99. Real good price, and they did the job. I'm going to prime my face with my Smashbox Photo Finish. I think this is Smooth and Blur. It helps my combination skin very, very well, and it helps my foundation stick to me. And I'm also using a new foundation today. I'm using my NARS. This is a luminous foundation in the color Trinidad. And when you see it, like, it was very, very watery. I wasn't expecting that. I thought this was going to be a thicker foundation. So had I known that, I would have concealed some of my dark spots. But you know what? It is what it is. And another con. I didn't think this foundation was going to be this light. Like, yeah, it's real light compared to my normal skin complexion. But it's okay. Your girl figured it out. It's okay. So I'm going to conceal my under eyes with this NARS concealer from the very beginning. And I'm also going to use that LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn. And let's be honest, like, I love my drugstore concealers. Like, some of my drugstore, this is the best product ever. Like, it's $2.99 or $3.99, one of the two. Very, very cheap. My makeup stays. It does the job. Like, why are we spending $20 on concealers when we can spend $3.99? Like, baby girl, what are we talking about?
Purchase your track today.
So I'm going in with this concealer stick, and this was the wrong one to begin with. So I'm grabbing my Fenty match stick in the color Espresso, and I'm just going to add this to the outside of my face to give me that straight out the oven Krispy Kreme glazed donut look.
YoungGreenestEmpire.com.
So once we're done marking up our face, you're gonna grab that brush and blend this out, okay? Blend it out really, 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 really good. So just keep blending everything out, and that face is going to slowly become snatched, okay? Like, don't you see it coming in? Y'all don't see it? It's coming in. Just keep watching. It's look, girl, blend. I grabbed my beauty blender because some things were a little too harsh for me, as you can see by the facial expressions. So keep blending until you get your desired look.
Purchase your track today.
Snatched, baby. So now I'm setting my under eye with the Sasha Buttercup and Laura Mercier setting powder. But y'all, my camera died. I'm so sorry. Just gonna highlight my face. I'm using this little highlighter I have. I'll link the name down below. I'm very generous with my highlight. I don't leave any skin behind. Like, I highlight. I'm also going to be using this black Radiance contour palette. I'm going to be using the dark contour color just to give myself some eyeshadow because I'm not putting eyeshadow on. I just want to open my eyes up a little bit. And I'm going to set that contour that I put down earlier with this same powder. Next, I'm setting my face with this Urban Decay all-nighter spray, and I go crazy with this spray. I know, y'all, that was so extra, but you like me. You like your girl. So I'm outlining my lips with this dark brown NYX liner, and I'm going to be using a NYX gloss, fortune cookie, and a matte color on top of that. Again, everything will be linked in the description box down below. So this is the part where we have to say goodbye. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, show me some love in my comments. If you would like to see this hairstyle, let me know and I'll do a tutorial for you guys. Leave a thumbs up, turn your notifications on, and until next time, guys. Oh wait, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye!